Hello student, in this video we talked about how to use the portrait effects in Filmora 13, right? So open your Filmora and then drag and drop your video clip in which we use the portrait effect, right, for this tutorial. And then click on the effects, and in the effects click on the AI portrait, right? In AI portrait there are a lots of things, right, and you can download it from here. Just click on the download button and your desired gradient shape will be downloaded, right? I have already some position downloaded, right? Now I drag and drop this position, right, and now I use this position also on this area, and I use this position also, right, and now I use this position, or I have already downloaded a position, right, that position, right, I have used this position, right. So when you drag and drop this position, right, so in right side there is a window also open, right, and it shows the delay time 0.5 second, right. You also increase or decrease this delay time, right. If you decrease it and if you increase it, it will be affected. First I render my project for smooth playing because I use the full quality, right. Now our video is rendered, right. So first I click on this position, so you also delay or increase or decrease the delay time, right, and from here you also reset the time. Now I click on this option, and in this option we see more things: the thickness and the distance and the line count, right. It is the line count, so it is the one line count, and if I click on it, it is the two line count, it is the three line count, and it is the four line count. And from here you also increase or decrease the thickness, so I decrease, and from here I increase the thickness, right. And from here you increase or decrease the distance between the lines, right. So I decrease, and I increase the thickness, so it is right, so I decrease the distance. Now I click on this effect, right, and in this effect we use the edges and distance. So my shape is converted into three pick, right. The two is duplicate and the one pick is original. So from here I increase the distance, and from here I decrease the distance. You click on it, so the distance will be increase or decrease, right. And from here you use the edge thickness, so the edge thickness will affect on your shapes, and right, you also use the increase to increase the edge thickness. From here you also click on to reset. You also apply the animation on our keyframing on that area, right. And now I click on this position, right. First I play something, and from here you see the 3 point, right. One, the thickness, for example I play it, and from here you increase or decrease the thickness, right. And from here you increase or decrease the frequency, right. So I reset it, and from here you see the opacity. You also increase or decrease this opacity, so I decrease this opacity, right. Now I play my video, right, to see the AI portrait effect on our videos, right. So now I play it. So in this video we learn how to use the AI portrait video effect in Filmora 13.